You can type it or you can select it. Okay. Do you see? Select star from contact. Is it clear? And then you have here execute button, right? You can use the execute button or F5. Sure, Anita. Select star from contact. Okay. Star means all the columns from table name. Then click on this execute button, or you can also use your F5 key from your keyboard. Functional key 5 from your keyboard. And if you use the functional key F5 from the keyboard, you can see that all the different rows will be displayed. Do you see? All the different rows are displayed here. Can you see, everybody? Okay. Is it clear? Alright. Select star from contact. So this is a query that is going to get us all the columns and rows that are present in this contact table. There are about 1000 records over here. Okay, do you see? There are 1000 records over here. Means there are 1000, customers that we have, customer contacts that we have saved here. Is it clear, everybody? How to get all the columns and then all the rows that are present in the contact table or any table? If you want any other table, let's say you want to add, see the address table, instead of contact, give it as address. Again, click on execute. Do you see? You didn't get the result table, Neha? Did you use your F5 key from your keyboard? Okay, use it. Click on F5 from your keyboard. If you don't get the results still, let me know. Right, this also you can use, Rupa, no problem. You use this run, okay, you use this stop, you use F5 key, everything is one and the same. Okay. You got it, Neha? Okay. Fine. I'll go back to my contact table. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now, after you go back to your contact table, okay. So I have all the different customer list over here. Okay. But do you see the data is not properly organized? Neither it is arranged alphabetical way. Okay. Neither it is arranged based on the contact. Neither it is arranged based on the customer. Right. So let's see how to organize it. I have another clause over here which says order by clause. Okay. And I can order it by any column that I want. Let's say I want to order it by contact ID or customer ID, or let's say by first name in the alphabetical order. Whichever column I want, I can select it here. Let's say on the contact ID. Enter. Run it. Every time you make the change to your query, make sure you run it. Okay. So do you see? Now it is arranged on which column? The contact ID column. Okay. You can also arrange it by multiple columns. Let's say customer underscore ID, comma contact ID. F5. So do you see? It has arranged first based on the customer ID, then on the contact ID. Do you see we have all 1111 in customer ID, and then we have arrangement on the contact ID. Okay. So we have the data that is organized. You can also organize it on the first name. Yes, Anita, you have to type select star. Okay. Then we have first name. Okay. Order by first name. So do you see? It is ordered by the first name column in the alphabetical order. Nisha, what editor are you looking for? See here, top it is. Okay. Editor is on top. Okay. If you can't see, go to the tools. Okay. And there you have the first option, editor. Okay. If you can't see editor on here, the quick bar, you can go to, tools. There you have the editor. Okay, everybody. Okay. So now I have Madhuri, you are getting an error message. Check if you have typed everything properly. Or do one thing, paste your query in the chat box. Let me see. Okay, Madhuri, what you do is copy your query and paste it in my chat box. Okay, if I am unable to solve here in the chat box, I will log into your computer. Okay. Okay, Manisha has a question. We will be testing a certain functionality as a tester. So where are we going to use the SQL? Okay. Manisha, see here. When directly, on the application, you cannot do the testing with these queries. Okay. That is functional testing which you are doing. But what about, the backend testing? Now let's say, okay, on your application, there is some data that is appearing. How do you validate it is the correct data? Are you getting? How do you validate that it is the correct data? Or let's say you want to, test your login functionality. You want to find out what are the valid usernames and password that are given to you by the client. They will be stored in the database. Can you not go and get it if you know what is, how to execute the queries, right? Okay. Prima, you're getting an error. Order by customer. Okay. Prima, see, sorry, Madhuri, see, the error is customer underscore ID, contact underscore ID. You should give the column names correctly. If you do not give the column names correctly, it's going to give you an error. Okay, Anita, see, we are doing the toad, but here can you see these queries we are executing? This is nothing but we call them as SQL queries. Okay. The queries that we are executing here, Anita, we call them as SQL queries. Okay. Okay. Everybody able to execute? Okay. No errors, right? Okay. So now do you see? Okay, you did not get set 2 and set 3. Okay, don't look at these sets, okay? Just try to execute these queries if you are able to do it. Sure. See, first name and last name is nothing but, okay, here, type, okay, customer ID, comma, contact ID. Tanu, these tables are present in the, SQL Toad. Can you see here Toad sample database? Double click on this Toad sample database. If you double click, it will get connected, okay, and then you will be able to see the tables and then the columns. Okay, Prima, you missed the comma. You should not miss the comma, okay. See, these are the syntax, okay. Even if you miss a small comma, it will start giving you the error, okay. Okay, 1 second, I will make you the presenter. Share your screen with me, okay. Okay, I've made you the presenter. Share your screen. Okay, so here, Tanu, do you see on the left side you have got the tables and the column. Okay, this is fine. Now what you do is go to Tools, File, Edit, View, Tools. On the top, menu bar. Yes, you have the tool there. No, go to Tool. No. File, Edit, View, Tools. Yes. First option, Editor. Tools. In the Tools, go for Editor. First option. Yes. Click on that. Okay, and here you can type your query. Select star from. Choose any table that you want. Contact table you can choose. Check it. Yes. Then use F5 key from your keyboard, or here in the bottom you have Run SQL. Click on this. Or on top, here you have in the corner green color arrow. Okay. Nishita, let me do one thing. Share your screen with me. Okay, I have made you the presenter. Can you please share your screen? You got to click on Show My Screen. Okay. Nisha, I can't see your screen. You got to click on Show My Screen. Are you there, Nisha? Let me unmute you. Hello?
Yeah, Priya?
Yes, Nisha.
Hello, Priya?
Who is? Yes, Nisha. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So what you do is, on the top of the Go to Meeting, click on Show My Screen.
I did that.
But we can't see your screen still.
It has two icons, screen and screen clean hide icons. So I clicked onto the screen.
No, Show My Screen. Do you see? Show My Screen.
Yes. Yes.
On that. Click on that.
I did that.
No, but we can't see your screen still. Can you
Now
see
can you see my
there
screen?
is an arrow mark?
Yes, there is an arrow mark. So I click onto the arrow
Mm-hmm. No, but we don't see your
and it
screen
says,
still. Mm-hmm.
now do you see my screen?
No, we cannot.
No? It shows an arrow,
Mm-hmm. Right, it shows an
a
arrow
blue
and it
button
says
and a white arrow.
exactly. You got to click on that.
Yeah, I clicked on it.
Mm-hmm.
And now it shows a blue button with the pause sign. Once I click on it.
Yes, then wait for some time, maybe we can see it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I have posted the link for your 3 o'clock batch. Okay. Yes, Josh, we can break for today. Okay. And I'm posting the link for the makeup session. Everybody save this link because I got to end this session and then I have to re-log in again. Nisha, we'll do one thing. Regarding your issue, we will look it in next session. Okay. Okay. So everybody copy the link. No, Rupa, it's going to be the starting session, the software development life cycle. Sure, Sophie. Can you please write a reminder email to me so that I can email the materials to you? I've already sent, okay, all the materials. But if it haven't reached you, please send an email. Okay. Fine. So everybody has copied the link. I'm going to stop this session because I got to again start with the new session there. I will again re-log in with the makeup session link. Please copy the link. I'm going to close this session. Tanu, did you copy that? All the new students, please copy it. Okay. So I'm ending the session now.